Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Yamaha 220 Li DPV. So inside this we have a lithium-ion battery, and that's going to power this sea scooter. It has 2 gears, which means that you can kind of step it up a gear, and this will buzz you around the dive site at anywhere up to about 3.1 miles an hour. Doesn't sound a lot, but when you're in the water, trust me, that is quite fast. The whole thing is nice and lightweight as well, because it doesn't have a lead battery, it has this lithium ion battery. And it's a nice sort of streamlined hydrodynamic design. So the nose cone, this all comes off, and then you can access the battery to recharge it inside the unit. It has lots of handles all over it. You've got the main handle on the top, that's more for carrying it. On that we've got the, it's really the kind of on-off switch. Just on top of that, if I actually switch it on, it's got a little LED battery level indicator, so you can see how much battery life you have left. Either side of that, you have 2 grab handles and then the thumb triggers. So these are both spring loaded, and it only works if you're holding both of them at the same time. To change gears, if you sort of hold it down, it will start in first gear. Then all you have to do is let go of one briefly and then throttle back up, and that will step it up a gear. So it sounds a lot like this. So you activate it and then step it up a gear. Letting go of both will switch it off. So that way, if you're not paying attention or you sort of let go, it's not going to buzz off and disappear. It's just going to stay exactly where you want it. So the propellers are protected by a decent cage. You really sort of can't get too far into that, and that's going to protect from the usual gunk and seaweed and bits and bobs. But if any does get in, you can remove the cage on the underside and get to the propeller. Just make sure that you sort of switch it off. Make sure you disconnect the battery and whatnot, just in case the propeller starts to turn. Very handy piece of kit, especially when you're diving around sort of large wrecks or large dive sites, especially if there's any kind of currents that you have to fight against. It really does help, and it will, if you're swimming along with it and finning, then you can really kind of shift through the water. So a very handy piece of kit, good fun as well if you're diving around a dive site. This is the Yamaha 220 Li DPV. Thanks for watching and safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.